know what time it is, big stroke, not the little one. Gonna take a little ride today, cars and coffee, but with exotics, a little bit of twist on it. We got a benefit, somebody lost their life. God bless you to bless others, so we're gonna try to be a blessing today. Right.
I hope it ain't this bag, huh?
Hey, look at that, boy.
Don't got no heart, I got it. Ran a roller, swipe at the G-Shot. Moving slowly out of the street hype. No more double, go ahead a detox. Yeah, yeah. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and tell my family out the hood, that's a must. It's never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's so crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama, no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby, from the show. What up, dude?
Sounds crazy.
What's happening? It's your boy HD. You already know what's up. Fucking with my nigga Big Stroke on this YouTube shit. Wow. You know, I'm sliding in the motherfucking cane. You know what I'm saying? Menace to society.
You see it?
You know what I'm saying? Fuck with them niggas talking about yeah.
Y'all know what time it is. Cut up bad. Seen some dope shit. $500,000 Lamborghini, Impala, Dunk, Box, Bubble, whatever you want to call them. Dope whips out there. Post Houston. Had a good time. Now we're gonna head out. We're doing a benefit with the Trendsetter. So y'all know Steve's have been rolling with me this morning. We're gonna lock in, get down the road, and go be a blessing, because God been a blessing to us. One.